everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you amazing backyard outdoor kitchen decor ideas and tips to create stylish and functional space to cook and entertain. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Backyard outdoor kitchens are becoming increasingly popular as homeowners look for ways to extend their living space and create a more inviting atmosphere for guests. With the right decor, a backyard outdoor kitchen can be transformed into a stylish and functional space that is perfect for entertaining and cooking. A backyard outdoor kitchen is a great way to extend your living space and enjoy the outdoors while cooking and entertaining. Whether you have a large backyard or a small patio, there are ways to create a beautiful and functional outdoor kitchen that reflects your personal style. When decorating your backyard outdoor kitchen, consider the following factors. First, style. What is your overall style aesthetic? Do you prefer a modern, rustic, or traditional look? Second, function. How will you be using your outdoor kitchen? Will it be primarily for cooking and entertaining, or will you also use it for relaxing and dining? Third, climate. What is the climate like in your area? You will need to choose materials and furniture that can withstand the elements. Here are some tips for decorating your backyard outdoor kitchen. First, choose a color scheme that complements your home's exterior and your surrounding landscaping. Second, add pops of color with accessories, such as throw pillows, dish towels, and flower pots. Third, use natural materials, such as wood and stone, to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Fourth, add greenery with potted plants or a vertical garden. Fifth, create a cozy dining area with a table and chairs or a bar set. Sixth, add a lounge area with comfortable seating and a fire pit or outdoor fireplace. The best backyard outdoor kitchen color scheme will depend on your personal style and the overall style of your home. However, some popular color schemes include neutral colors such as white, beige, and gray create a clean and sophisticated look. Natural colors such as wood, stone, and green create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Bold colors such as red, blue, and yellow can add a touch of personality to your outdoor kitchen. And what about what stuffs to put in your backyard outdoor kitchen? The basics of any outdoor kitchen include a grill, a prep space, and storage. You may also want to consider adding other appliances, such as a pizza oven, smoker, or refrigerator. Here's a list of some of the most popular items to include in your backyard outdoor kitchen. Grill, prep space including countertop, island, or cart. Storage includes cabinets, drawers, or shelves. Sink, refrigerator, pizza oven, smoker, ice maker, wet bar, dining area, and lounge area. And if you have a small backyard, you can still create a functional and stylish outdoor kitchen. Here are some tips. First, use vertical space to your advantage. Install shelves or cabinets on the walls to store supplies and cookware. Second, choose multi-purpose furniture. For example, a bar cart can be used for both prep work and serving food. Third, use foldable or stackable furniture so you can easily put it away when you're not using it. And finally, to complete your inspiration, here these the top 10 best backyard outdoor kitchen decor ideas. 1. Create a focal point. Every outdoor kitchen needs a focal point. This could be a grill, a pizza oven, or even a beautiful backsplash. Choose a focal point that is both stylish and functional, and arrange your other decor elements around it. 2. Add some greenery. Plants and flowers are a great way to add life and color to your outdoor kitchen. You can plant them in pots, hanging baskets, or even in the ground. Choose plants that are tolerant of the elements and that will thrive in your climate. 3. Add some seating. No outdoor kitchen is complete without comfortable seating. Choose chairs and tables that are both stylish and durable. You may also want to consider adding a bar or lounge area. 4. Add some lighting. Lighting is essential for any outdoor kitchen. It will allow you to cook and entertain after dark. Choose lighting fixtures that are both stylish and functional. You may also want to consider adding string lights or solar lights to create a festive atmosphere. 5. Add some accessories. Accessories can help to add personality and style to your outdoor kitchen. You can add items like outdoor rugs, pillows, throws, and artwork. Choose accessories that are both stylish and durable. 6. Consider your climate. When choosing decor for your outdoor kitchen, it is important to consider your climate. If you live in a hot climate, you will want to choose materials that are resistant to fading and cracking. If you live in a cold climate, you will want to choose materials that are weather resistant. 7. Choose the right materials. When choosing materials for your outdoor kitchen, it is important to choose materials that are both durable and stylish. Popular materials for outdoor kitchens include stainless steel, granite, and concrete. 8. Don't forget the details. The small details can make a big difference in the overall appearance of your outdoor kitchen. Be sure to add finishing touches like towels, dishes, and utensils. You may also want to add a trash can and recycling bin. 9. Keep it clean and organized. A clean and organized outdoor kitchen is a more inviting and enjoyable space. Be sure to clean your grill and other appliances regularly. You may also want to consider adding a storage shed or cabinet to store your supplies. 10. Make it your own. Most importantly, make your outdoor kitchen your own. Choose decor that you love and that reflects your personal style. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different ideas. Closing statement. A backyard outdoor kitchen is a great way to enjoy the outdoors while cooking and entertaining. By following the tips above, you can create a stylish and functional outdoor kitchen that reflects your personal style. Visit our YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs, for more inspiration on backyard outdoor kitchen decor. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of amazing backyard outdoor kitchen decor ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.